This is Adrian Hart with your Southeast Colorado News on seconews.org. We're at La Junta City Park for the annual Southeast Colorado Antique Vehicle Car Show. These guys doing it every year, and a great turnout, over 30 vehicles. We're checking out this 71 Cuda that the Ricken family has toured all over the valley for many years in loving memory of Greg Ricken. And of course, they're sponsoring our coverage of the car show for you folks, along with Mr. Donkel and his Studebakers that you can see in the backdrop there at the car wash as well in Los Animas, sponsoring this walkthrough video of the 2024 Southeast Colorado Antique Vehicle Club Car Show, La Junta City Park. I'm here with Matthew Jackson and his cool swept side pickup truck. Do you want to tell us a little bit about your truck, Matthew?
Yeah, sure. So I got it from my great uncle. He bought it brand new back in '56 and drove it from Los Animas to Alamosa for college and parked it for 56 years. And I got it from my aunt and restored it, and here it sits.
Wow.
Yeah.
So in the family for its entire life?
Yep, one owner. I'm the second.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Have you put any work into it?
I have. When I got it, I had to replace a clutch in it and then redo tires, and then I locked up a motor on accident and had to put a new motor in it. But that's about all I've had to do.
Okay, so replacement motor,
Yeah.
and you said it's a 1956?
Yep, 1956 GMC 100.
Very cool. Are you a member of the car club?
I am not, but I have been told many times I need to be.
Yeah, they let me in, and my car doesn't quite qualify, I don't think. It's a 98, but...
Well, you're almost there.
almost there. I
Yes.
tell my kids it's 25 years old, so that
Right.
makes it a classic. I
Yeah,
think,
there you go.
technically.
There you
But
go.
nothing like this cool orange truck. Now, is the orange the original color?
The orange is original color. Yep, it's never been painted. So
And when you swapped motors, is it like the original motor, or did you upgrade it?
it's a little bit smaller.
Smaller?
It's a little bit smaller. Yeah.
Okay.
But it was a free motor, so.
Oh, hey, I
I'm-
was going to say, was it budget friendly?
That-
But
yep, it was
that's
totally
as friendly as
budget
it
friendly.
gets,
Yes,
right?
yes. So, yep.
Very nice. Well, thank you, Matthew.
You're welcome.
Sorry we missed the interview last year. I'm glad we were able to come back around.
Yep.
And this is cool that you're showing your family's heirloom, if you will,
Yes.
out here at the La
Yep.
Junta City Park.
Yes, sir. So,
How often do you drive it?
all the time. We go check our cows with it and just all over town.
Okay, so she's
Yeah.
still being that workhorse.
Yes. Yep. All the time. So,
Awesome.
All right.
Well, thank you so much, Matthew.
Yes, sir. Have a good one.
You too.
Mom's dad's.
Okay. So very fond of the red color.
How many pictures you taking?
None.
Oh,
No pictures. It's video.
lot of us had like very similar like
Good day,
trends.
sir. You want to say some words?
Sure. If you want to talk about Studebakers, that's what
Oh,
you love to
Studebaker,
do,
well,
isn't it?
The best was the 59 bullet nose.
And that's your new addition, right, Chuck?
No, excuse me, not 59, 51 bullet nose. They were only made for 2 years, 50 and 51. And they're noted by the bullet nose or the new design, the forward-looking design, because that was the year of the changing of the space age.
Ah,
And see, they're fit in with the space age.
very nice. 50s era Studebaker. Your other cars, they're a little newer, same vintage, but a little newer.
Yeah, but the newer. This is a 57 Studebaker, Silver Hawk. And that style was, I guess I could really, the other thing which is unique, this style, the fenders are all interchangeable from 1953, I believe it is, through 1964. The front fenders and the rear fenders are interchangeable any of those years. All they did was add something to it. If you see the 57, you see the fin on it. The fin has been added. That's solid metal fin. This is just like a 57 Chevy.
And that model year is going to stand out because of the addition of the fin, right?
The addition of the fins, but the fins, you know, we saw the largest car with the biggest fin was the 59 Cadillac.
Right.
Yeah, that's when the fins were in, and then all of a sudden in the 60s we took the fins and threw them all away. But it was more of the space age stuff that we were into, and we wanted to make them, wanted the cars to make them look swept side or aerodynamic.
Mm-hmm. How long have you been a club member?
Club member? Well, I have now lived in Los Angeles 50 years, so I've been a club member probably at least 40 years.
40 years. And you got these 4 beautiful Studebakers on display today. I overheard you telling a gentleman how you got them here, that you rotated, right? So you drove a mile and then walked back and picked up the other car and drove a mile?
No, not really, but that's what I used as an excuse, you know. I drove the first one a mile, and I walked back and got another one, drove it 2 miles, and then walked back. I kept driving one every mile, so you know, it was a long walk to get here.
Well,
I had help.
Well, I can see the elbow grease on all that chrome, so thank you so much for bringing it out today.
Thank you.
Anything you want to add, Chuck?
No, they're just, it's a hobby to enjoy. This is my hobby. I enjoy it. I don't like to go fishing, and so I just soon go to a shop and work on cars, and they don't talk back to you.
Very good. Well, if you want to support Chuck's ever increasing fleet of Studebakers, go drop some quarters in at the car wash in Los Animas, right?
There you go.
That's how we do it.
That's one reason I bought the car wash, so I have a place to wash my cars.
Very good.
There
And
you
one of our broadcast sponsors. So thank you for supporting the news dedicated to the people of Southeast
Thank you for the support
Colorado.
the people have given me in Los Angeles. I appreciate it. And the car wash was put back together for the people of Los Angeles.
Very cool. Thank you so much, Chuck.
Thank you.
Shut it off, and I thought, well, if I sit here, someone's going to come out pretty soon. And I bet I sat there 15 minutes for Studebaker.
And it felt like 2 hours.
Yes, and they finally come out and
That's almost anywhere. The fish are there. It's just
got me in, you know. And
reel them in.
Probably.
It's the big moment for the 50-50. Now, if you win, you don't have to take the money and run because the show's not over till 3 o'clock. Okay? So this little girl's gonna pick a ticket out for us. Just one.
Make sure it's just one and then hand it to me.
Mix them up.
Mix them up.
You want to ride home?
Okay, the last three numbers are 259. Did you really? You lucky. No way.
We have a winner.
259.
What's your name, young lady?
Lexi. And it goes to your softball. What are you gonna do with the money, Lexi? Fusion softball.
She's donating it to her softball club.
That's a good
That's awesome. Good job, Lexi. Okay, we got some CDs here for a lady that in Los Angeles made these CDs. They're kind of wild. You might like them, you might not. I don't know. So we're gonna pull some tickets for them to win a CD. She even signed them.
Yes, she did.
Okay, who wants to pull another ticket?
Okay, just one.
Here we go.
Make sure
This
it's
is
just
for
one
the
before you
CD.
give it to me. Okay? The last three are 252. 252. There you go. There's that.
Lexi, will you go buy a lottery ticket for me?
Okay, there's three more, so we'll do three more draws.
Shake them up good.
Three more.
Okay, well, here, you go.
Let Lexi walk again. Roll that thing around.
There you go, Jen, pick one for me.
What was your number, Jim?
I was looking at the blank side.
Oh, okay. Last three is 244. I heard someone say I got it.
No, here you are.
Surely I won't win twice.
Okay.
If I do, call me.
Okay, we got two left. Who wants to take the ticket?
Okay, thank you.
How much did Dad give you to pick that ticket?
That's one.
No, not that one, the other one.
Number 198.
198.
That bitch is lucky. We need to move that table out of here.
Signs and all. Okay, we got one more.
I can just see Lester dancing in his shop to this music back there.
One Lester.
We need a video.
Yes.
I'll get all the Damien.
One more. Just grab
I
it.
hope it ain't rap.
No, you like it.
And number 158. Was that right after that?
158.
All right.
Right. Rich got her.
There was a different table.
Gotcha.
Cool.
We're good. Make sure everybody got one of these.
Oh, he just handed me the mic. I got a blank on my face. Again, I want to thank everybody for coming and participating. And that's what makes this car show happen. It's all the participation that we have. So we'll look forward to next year, and maybe it'll be a little bigger and a little better and have the same nice weather.
I agree, Jim.
Yeah, no, probably gonna be retiring next year.